Saturday from the Briar Patch. Thanks again for joining me for Starter Kit Saturday. Today we are going to be making an Owie Spray. Perfect for this time of year. You know, the kids are going to be playing outside, falling off their bikes, skinning their knees. We're going to be working in the yard, you know, getting cuts and scrapes, and I thought this spray would be great. So let me show you what we're going to need. V6 vegetable oil complex. I get this from Young Living. 1 ounce spray bottle. I ordered these from Amazon. And normally when we do our projects from Starter Kit Saturday, I use all the oils that are in, not all of the oils, but I use some of the oils that come in the starter kit. Today we are going to be using one oil that does not come in the starter kit, but it's one oil that you should have on hand, and that's the Melaleuca. Let me bring that in real close so you can see. So Melaleuca is cleansing, protecting, soothing, and flushing, and it offers tissue support. This is a great oil to have around the house. Oh, excuse me. Lavender we're going to be using. And lavender is also calming, soothing, cleansing, and regenerative. And then frankincense. We're going to be using frankincense today. And frankincense is cleansing, protecting, soothing, and also regenerative to the skin. And so let's get started. This is so easy to make. Okay, let's get started making this Owie Spray. So take the lid off here, and to this bottle you're going to put 10 drops of each of these oils. So let's do 10 drops of the frankincense first. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops of the Melaleuca. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is so quick and easy to make up. I'm going to throw my bottle into my bag. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it for the oils. 4 ingredients, no strange chemicals in this spray. Then we're going to top off this bottle with the V6 vegetable complex. If I can get this to work. There we go. Top off this bottle. Put the lid back on, and then before applying this you want to shake the bottle really good just to get the oils all blended in. Shake well before each use, and then for an injury to the skin you're going to spray 3 times a day. This is just real easy to spray right on the skin. Just rub it in. The oil, the V6 oil helps disperse the oils over your skin, the essential oils, and it dries really fast. So easy. They'll be great this summer for the kids and for us working in the yard. So at Michael's today, I picked up these really cute labels to label my bottles. Sometimes I just use my label maker, but I thought these brown labels would be cute on the brown bottles. And then I picked up these really cute chalkboard labels. I thought that would be cute on my my blue bottles. So you should always store your oils in colored bottles so they aren't harmed by the sun. It just helps the oils last longer. So I like using either the blue or the brown. So that's it. Easy peasy. Thanks again for stopping by the Briar Patch. I hope you enjoyed today's Starter Kit Saturday project. If you have any questions about Young Living essential oils, I'm gonna do a link right after this video or a screenshot. It'll have my website information, or you can message me directly. But I hope you like the Owie Spray, and check back with me next week. Have a good week.